Today we will be repairing this 2003 McDonald's Haunted Mansion mirror. You are going to need a triangular bit security bit screwdriver. They sell security bits that have all different types, and you're going to want one of these small triangular ones. This one is homemade. So we're going to start by removing the 5 screws in the back. If you're opening it for the first time, then the screws will be harder to remove because they're stuck in there after 20 plus years, but you will be able to get them loose. After we've taken the 5 screws out, we can lift the back off and set this part of it aside. You have 2 more screws right here that need to be removed to access the battery assembly. So we take those out, then we can lift this off, and here's your little LED that will glow red, and this toy uses 2 LR41 batteries that can easily be purchased online for cheap. So we're going to slip this in here, and it's important to note that the negative side goes facing out, just like that. And now we have the rest of the assembly that needs to be put back together. So, there is a pin right here that goes into this hole. After that, this little weight goes on top, right there. And then there's also this little spring that will go on top of that, just like that. So now we can replace the battery assembly. That little pin right there will line up with this hole right here, and everything will make contact to provide the LED's glow. There we go. And now you can replace the 2 triangular screws. Oops. There's one. There's the other. If you do find that your batteries have leaked, you can remove it with a little bit of vinegar, or you could try scraping out some of the corrosion if it's causing a problem. After that, we can put the back on top again, and we could put all 5 screws back in. And screw everything back together. And just like that, we've now replaced the screws inside. So the way the toy works is that you would turn it on and then set it down like this. At this angle you can't really see it, but when you tilt it this way, a little red light glows and it shows the little Grim Reaper or whatever that is behind the reflection. So there you go. And that's the point of that whole little weight and spring assembly. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again next time.